Hello, myself Dr. Biswaranjan Nayak, consultant in the Department of Neurosurgery, Amri Hospital, Bhubaneswar. There is an interesting case we have received just few days back. He has got a disease called ankylosing spondylitis. Ankylosing spondylitis is a not so common disease, and its prevalence is 1.5% in the world. And ankylosing spondylitis usually results in the deformity. It starts from the CV junction, like from the base of the skull to the sacrum. The whole spine get curved and totally fused, and after that the patient become debilitated, and he or she needs support for her daily activities, living, and whatever he does, he needs assistance for that. I am Dr. Biswaranjan Nayak and Dr. Jitendra Raut decided to deal the patient in a proper scientific way. So we have done proper investigation of the patient, and we found there is a complete fused spine, like bamboo spine deformity, and the patient was curved around 70 to 80 degree, and the base of the skull is fused. So we have to perform two surgery in that patient. So we have decided the craniovertebral junction fixation in the first sitting to decompress the spinal cord first, so that his respiration will improve after surgery, and it will allow to perform the second surgery smoothly. So we have done a fixation of C1 and C2 and decompress the spinal cord. So after surgery the patient get a better respiratory effort, and we have performed the second surgery, kyphosis correction. After kyphosis correction the patient improved a lot, and a bending of 70 degree improved to almost 10 to 15 degree, and he is normally ambulatory and doing his normal activity now. So we have a great pleasure to receive and to treat this kind of patient in the Apex Neurological Center, Neurosurgical Center and Orthopedic Center like Amri Hospital in Bhubaneswar, if we are getting proper patient.
I myself Dr. Jitendra Kumar Raut, consultant orthospine surgeons, Amri Hospital, Bhubaneswar. As described my colleague Dr. Biswaranjan Nayak, we got a very difficult case. We call it ankylosing spondylitis. Ankylosing spondylitis, all the joints of the body and the whole spine is involved. But when it become very late, the spine became bent, and it bends forward, so that the patient when looks, it cannot see what is in front of him. He always looks down, and this is called deformity of spine. So in spine there are many surgery, and deformity of spine is the most complex, difficult and complicated surgery in spine surgery. So that's why it is usually very rarely, and it is almost not done in Orissa. But because the patient was very poor, so he cannot afford to go outside, so we dared to do this complex surgery, so that we can change the life of the patient, because since last 15 years he is not able to see forward. He is seeing is down only. He is walking with his face downward, because the spine is bent forward, almost horizontal. That spine is horizontal to the ground. So this type of surgery has been never done in Orissa. So we first time with my colleague Dr. Biswaranjan Nayak, we have a group discussed and planned it. And we first did the CV junction anomaly, then we correct the deformity. That means we make the person to stand straight, so that he can look forward and walk properly. And it took around 8 to 10 hours for us to complete the surgery. First surgery of its kind done in any corporate hospital of Orissa. So we look forward to get more number of this type of cases, so that we will give service to the Orissa people, so that they need not to go outside to get operated simulator for this type of surgeries.